24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in every practical sense is floating at $101,838,310 in an unpretentious way. ADA in every practical sense acquired roughly 1.11% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. Cardano's EMA10 generally shows an essentially descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano really shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a fundamentally huge manner. 14 September 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some things facts. What essentially is certainly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, most certainly is ADA a wise venture. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations exhibiting that 14 September 2023. In this article we will basically walk you through Cardano cost investigation for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these often explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is especially momentary cost expectation for Cardano, fundamentally is ADA an especially wise venture, which truly is very huge. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,053,907,408,331, which generally is very critical. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume really remains at $27,882,883,474, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.98, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely critical. These occasions especially show that the market in every practical sense is going in a for the most part descending course for genuinely present moment, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a very broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how XRP in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a huge way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become essentially more beautiful dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty further appearance, how Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants in a real sense move commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA Cardano execution ADA certainly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.11% in by and large most recent 24 hours, by and large further appearance, How Cardano generally shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. The very current worth of Cardano sort of is floating at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $101,838,310 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, or so they really thought. The by and large market cap for ADA in a real sense is $8,802,950,235 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 1.32% over the course of the week, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 14 September 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath, which sort of is genuinely huge. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Cardano. So we utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving essentially normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Cardano in an unpretentious manner for the most part. The ADA United States dollar moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating a by and large present moment, truly sell especially signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath, sort of sign line which in a real sense implies sort of bears basically or ruling on the lookout, which basically shows that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an essentially descending course for certainly present moment, which generally is very critical. While ADA's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and for the most part is attempting to by and large break out of the negative zone, while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Cardano explicitly has in a real sense break all its most certainly upholds levels, and all things considered, are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner. As of now, especially bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take ADA cost,